Hey, so if your settings in Darktable are not saving, yeah, that can be really frustrating. You change something, restart the app, and boom, everything resets. But don't worry, this usually happens for a few specific reasons, and I'll walk you through how to fix it. Alright, first, this is a big one. If Darktable doesn't have permission to save files, your settings won't stick. Try running it as administrator and then change your settings again. Yeah, so Darktable saves your settings in a config folder. If that folder is read-only or restricted, nothing will be saved. Go to the config folder, open Properties, and make sure permissions are enabled. If your settings still don't save, the config files might be corrupted. Just rename or delete the config folder, then restart Darktable. It will create a fresh one automatically. Low disk space can also stop settings from being saved. Make sure your system drive has enough free space, at least a few gigabytes. If you're using a portable version of Darktable, settings might not save properly depending on where it's installed. Try installing the full version instead. Sometimes antivirus software blocks apps from writing files. Temporarily disable it or add Darktable as an exception, then test again. If nothing works, update or reinstall Darktable. A clean install can fix broken settings behavior. So yeah, that's how you fix settings not saving in Darktable. Most of the time, it's just a permission or config issue. Fix that, and everything should work normally again. Hey,